So when we hear the word hacking or a hack, typically there's this negative speculation. In fact, I think it would be safe to say that hacking or hackers is probably one of the most misunderstood or even overused words or terms used in the security industry today. Typically, when we say the word hacking or hacker, we think of evil incarnate, right? Or we have this fear or this red flag goes up. Now, if you'll remember, what I mentioned previously is that hacking is just simply, again, taking something and configuring it in a different mechanism or a different way that makes the device or the target of the hack operate differently than what it's expected. Now, to truly understand this, let's go through and take a look at kind of a history of hacking.